It is the best way to make your joystick bigger and stronger. Simple Medicine HD. How to make your joystick will be bigger and longer with on seeds at night. Drink this tonight to get a bigger joystick in 3 minutes. Grandpa's solution. Your manhood will stand for hours. No more 30-second man. Be a king at night with 40 minutes man. A question answered by Dr. Ruhul Gupta in a Liberate website. Is banana good for hair direction? And it is good for sperm health and count which foods are best penis? He said yes they are. Bananas contains the bromelain and enzyme that increases libido and reverse importance in men. Also, they are potent source of potassium and B vitamins like riboflavin, which increase the body's overall energy levels. Another good source of nutrients is cassava. Cassava is a calorie-rich vegetable that contains plenty of carbohydrates and key vitamins and minerals. Cassava is a good source of vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. The leaves, which are also eligible if a person cooks them or dries them in the sun, can contain up to 25% protein. However, the cassava roots does not deliver the same nutritional value as the tuber vegetables. If you take these foods every day, you will make your stronger and bigger your joystick.